Hey guys, welcome my first video here. We're just a crop farmer out here in Ray County, Missouri. So we got some beans that are pretty well dry. We had to stop for a few days with the rain, but it should be dry by now. So let's head on out there. So Dad's going to meet us out here in a little bit. We're just going to get the combine going, check over everything, and get out in the field here. Haven't got much time in this thing this year. Dad's been in it most of the time. I've just been trucking and running grain cart. Alright, Dad went me out here. He's going to run the combine for a while and let's do a little time lapse of Dad taking out the beans. So, enjoy. Dad's full here. I'll get him empty. Auger wagon here, and after that we're going to go run back to the farm here. I got a truck full yet from when it was raining the other day. We're going to unload that as that's full, and then bring it back over here so the combine can dump whatever it has left on it after this field's done. Yeah, we had a load of beans on the other night when it started raining, so I quick got the grain cart unloaded, threw the tarp on here, and then got it back inside the shed. We're gonna dump this into the grain bin right now. So. Alright, Dad's all done with the field here. We're just going to empty out the combine here in the truck and get this back to the shed, dump her out, and then hopefully be able to go at it again tomorrow. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you again.